So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. But it's getting, okay, there's somebody here, whether this is you or somebody feels this way about you, they feel like, okay, you're not going to give them another chance, right? And they can't sleep. So I'm picking up on somebody else's energy. This is not you, Aries. They can't sleep because they feel like you don't want them anymore. Ooh, they were sneaky. This person was sneaky in the past, right? And I'm seeing the way the Nine of Pentacles came out, they don't have a peace of mind about how they treated you, how they handled things with you. And so this could also be saying somebody's getting ready to free themselves, I was about to say out of a wedding, family situation, but then there's the Six of Cups, family. Somebody's getting ready to free themselves out of some type of family situation here, or somebody from the past in order for things to improve with you. Aries, you could be dealing with another Aries. Clarify. I have 2 4s here. I'm telling you, there's a living situation or there's some type of family situation going on. Aries, this could be your situation or this is someone else's situation that you know of, you were dealing with, something like that. But the thing is, somebody wants to have this happy home. They want this family dynamic to work. But they're having a hard time right now. Because, see, they're going to have to make a decision. Somebody has to get out of another situation. This is what I'm seeing. Tell me more. Yep, and they're not taking a leap to come towards you just yet because they're trying to figure out how to clear away these other obstacles first. See, there's the Queen of Wands. It's like they look at you as someone who's positive, you're ambitious, you're a go-getter, that you're a blessing to them. But see, they're not telling you this. They're not telling you that they want to be with you. They're keeping this all to themselves. See, until they get out of a third-party situation. And that's what they're having a hard time with, I told you. Aries, like, seriously, it's Aries. This is somebody that you know, or it could be cross-watcher. You're dealing with an Aries, and this is what they're going through right now. But I'm telling you, somebody's going to get out of this third-party situation. See, they made a decision about it. But they're just having a hard time, communicating to you. You're going to hear from them. Even though you're not talking to them, you're going to hear from them because, see, they left you out in the cold, and they want to fix it. See, the seeds they planted with you, they wanted to grow, Aries. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but right now they know that they didn't balance things out with you, see? And they're not telling you that they want this new beginning with you, you know? And they feel like if you hear them out, you're going to go off on them. Like, you're going to be real cutthroat, dry, hard, nasty, like, because they messed up. But see, I'm telling you, they're choosing you. They want a new beginning with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. This person, they're going to have to change their ways, their behavior. They're going to have to get out of their head, but they're also going to have to get out of this other situation that I'm picking up on. See, because right now there's no balance. What's this? Okay, yeah, this person is definitely frustrated. They feel like they lost you for good, and they feel like you cut them off. But I'm telling you, they're going to get out their head because that's them also being very blunt, direct. They're going to tell you how they're feeling, right? See? This person made a decision, okay? They want to move forward with you. But see, because of the way they treated you, I'm telling you, they're afraid you're not going to accept this offer. See, they were immature. This person was really immature. They lied to you. Somebody could have been dealing with a Pisces. And they're having a hard time right now. And they're in their head because I feel like there was a lot. I was waiting. Yeah, y'all have somebody else. There's somebody. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry, because it's like, my angels be telling me stuff, but I just like to wait to tell you guys because I want to see it play out, and they just keep confirming it. So, yeah, you guys, I'm telling you, this person, they're in their head because I feel like they started a lot of drama with you, a lot of conflict. I feel like whatever situation this person is in, it's like they know that they're in their head, like, I know I need to get out of it, but I haven't done it yet. They're also in their head because they feel like you're either dealing with somebody else or there's somebody else coming in, because I have 2 kings here. So, even though it's 2 kings, it could be 2 women. But they feel like by the time they come rolling on in, wanting to talk to you, you done moved on. You know, you done moved on with someone else. And it's like they want to have the confidence to come towards you, but see, they're moving slow. Because they're afraid things aren't... Oh, hold on, y'all. Yeah, they're afraid things aren't going to improve. Yeah, they're focusing on their money. Hold on, I heard no. Don't put that down. Hold on. Okay. I see what they're doing, but hold on, they said no. So listen, it's like they're afraid things aren't going to improve with you. They're losing hope. I'm telling you, this person is petrified you're going to move on with someone else. The thing is, the reason why they're moving slow, something's going on with their finances. Because this is the thing. They're focusing on their money, but what I'm also picking up, they're going to come back and give you an offer. It is going to be a small offer because they have to get out of a situation, but at the same time, they know y'all don't trust them. They know this. So they're going to have to come in to give you this small breadcrumb offer. Can we start over? Can we be friends? Let me prove myself to you, right? Because look at that. They want a new beginning. They want to start a new cycle. This person, they learned their lessons. If they are worried about money, I definitely see money coming in for them. But they're just moving slow because I'm telling you, it's fear that things aren't going to work out between the two of you, but then there's also a little bit of fear about their money. This person, it's going to take a little bit more time. I'm not even going to sit here and lie to you. See, justice, and it tried to kind of scoot its way to my wedding card. I'm telling you, somebody is either in a long-term commitment, they're married, or there's like some type of business contract dealing. There's something going on between this person and someone else, right? And so they want to know how you feel about them. Because they're going through it. This person is upset. They're upset because they're realizing the part that they played and they want to give you an offer. But see, with this death card here reversed, they feel like you're not going to give them a chance. And they're seeing the truth. This is them realizing, their breakthrough. And in the day, somebody could have been dealing with a Scorpio, but they're afraid that, see, the way this came out, they had you waiting. They had you waiting because they were waiting for something to come through financially for them. And it's like they didn't want you to walk away, or they don't want you to walk away because they do want this new beginning with you. But at the same time, they're not putting in the work yet. They're not putting in the work because there's something up here that they're having to go through. Something has to play out. I'm seeing that, yeah, they did betray you. They want to fix it. They want to move forward with you. But they keep going back and forth making a decision. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. See, the decision is, I want to give Aries or Crosswatcher this offer, but I feel like they're just not going to accept it. For some of you out there, I'm telling you, if they're in a situation, if they're married, in some commitment, business, whatever it is, it's a lot of y'all, just take it, okay? Take it however it fits. They know that they're going to have to cough up some money or maybe continuously give to this other person. So it's like, I see them coming out of taking a financial hit because they know once they put an end to this other situation, somebody's going to probably have to cough up some money. But guess what? That was their lesson. That was their lesson. Could be dealing with a Virgo. So they're trying to figure out what to do because the thing is they want happiness with you, but they're afraid that I feel like some of them could have let you go because of a child or because they were in some type of family situation, see? And that's why they're afraid things aren't going to improve. But because I'm seeing they're trying to let go of whatever situation that they have going on, they're afraid that, okay, I might not be doing well financially speaking, see? They're afraid their money is their money going to start looking funny, okay? Basically. But Spirit is saying they're not listening to their intuition. Look at that, 11-11. Their intuition is telling them to break things off, with this other situation. And I'm not sitting here advocating getting out of a family situation, but I could tell when a family situation that they're in, it isn't good, okay? And they're saying get up out of it. But they're not listening to their intuition as well because they feel like, I'm not going to be able to have this new start. So why? See, I was just about to say, so why even say anything to Aries or say anything to Crosswatcher? I'm telling you, every time they want to say something to you, they're not. But some of them, maybe they're having to wait until the contract is done. It's over. So if they're married, they got to go through a divorce. If they're trying to do a whole child support thing, they're trying to figure out, okay, when that situation is done and over with, then I can approach Aries. If they're trying to get out of a lease, they're trying to sell a home. I mean, it could be so many different things. But whatever it is, they're like, okay, I'm going to wait until I get out of this situation because even though I want things to improve with Aries or Crosswatcher, right now I can't. I'm stuck in this situation until I figure things out. See? Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus, but some of them have to get out of a commitment or a marriage. I'm telling you. See? They're going to have the confidence to come towards you because they do want to turn things around, but they're back and forth with the Six of Pentacles and it crossed my Hierophant. I'm telling you, this person's going to have to pay somebody. And they're afraid that, yes, they want to work things out with you, but they're like, okay, once I get out of this commitment or whoever I'm committed to, I have to figure out where my money is going to be looking like. How is it going to be standing? Because the thing is, it's like they want to celebrate with you. This person definitely wants to ask you out, okay? But they got to get out of a family situation, I'm telling you. And they're not positive about it at all. They know they hurt you, but they feel like they're not going to have a victory with you. But they're going to make up their minds. This is them now wanting to take action. But they're not going to take action until they get out of this other situation. I want to do something for y'all. Hold on. Let me see something. Spirit, give me just a couple of cards for Aries. What's going on? This energy I'm picking up. What do you want them to know? All right. So somebody could be throwing themselves into their job. They could be making plans, but there's going to be a change here. They are going to make a change. I told you, somebody's really throwing themselves into their career right now, trying to get their money together. I feel like that's their way of trying to escape certain things from happening. See, they're talking to the people within their community, you know, because right now it's like they're stressing out about their situation. See, look at that. Y'all, I can't make this up. This person, they're the official person. Hold on, y'all. Let me fix it this way. They're the official person, right? And they're worried about their money. You see the 22 equals out to a 4 up top? They have to take care of some type of family situation or a home situation. This person pays the bulk of everything. And I told you, they are worried about their finances. So they are talking to their friends and family trying to figure out what to do, because guess what? They know they want a new beginning elsewhere. They're making plans to get out of this situation. But see, they know somebody's going to steal their money. Y'all, I'm telling you. See, they're going to have to give. You see the one, let me see how it looks for y'all. The 1 and the 7 up top, that equals out to an 8. They're going to have to give somebody money. Somebody is going to take from them, okay? And that's what they want to tell you. Y'all, bottom of the deck, there's the Sun. Overall energy, you guys can have happiness with this person. Let's see. Ooh, but the way the 10 of Wands came out, you guys, there's some confliction here, because it's like, 1 minute, I feel like you guys are holding on to this person. Excuse me. But the next minute, yeah, you're ready to let them go. And the fact that the 10 of Swords just came out reversed, that is definitely letting me know that there's an end. You're like, I'm done. I don't want this person. I'm putting an end to this situation because they hurt me a lot, you know, and I've been focusing on healing. See? But at the same time, even with all that being said, Spirit is saying you're having a hard time, because of what took place in the past, right? So I'm seeing there is going to be some communication coming in. Some of you guys are going to be hearing the truth. Didn't I just tell y'all that? In the other spread, you're going to get the truth about what's been going on. But you're going to be wearing a poker face. It's like you're not letting this person know how you really feel deep down inside. You're just listening to them. That's if you choose to listen to them, because you're tired. See, you're like, I don't want a new opportunity. See, there's your card. You're saying this person didn't bring any type of stability, and you want justice. You guys are pissed. You're like, no, I want justice. You hurt me. You did me wrong. But guess what? You're going to get justice. But at the same time, I'm telling you, it's like you want the truth. See, the truth is going to free you. Some of you guys, I'm hearing you wanted closure. You know, you never got closure. You didn't understand what this person was going through. For some of you, you didn't know what was taking place. And I feel like by this person coming to give you the truth, it's like this weight is going to lift off of you. It's like there's definitely some type of closure. But at the end of the day, look at that. There's an offer coming in for you. A huge offer that you deserve. And it's going to come in fast. But see, you don't have a peace of mind. Okay, it's this person. It's this person. They're not playing. Let me see. Tell me a little bit more. Yep. You're not confident. They're going to apologize to you. You're just not confident with them. But the thing is, Aries, you're missing a part of your lesson. Clarify that. There's something, yeah, they're saying they need you to basically not overthink this, because you're going to be stuck trying to make a decision about what to do. Because, see, all you're going to be saying is, you know what? It took you a long time to tell me the truth or to reach out to say anything. There was a little to no communication, and guess what? Y'all are cutting them off. You're like, I don't want it. Because you're saying, I don't see things turning around. Ooh. Hold on. Give me 10 more. Let me see. 10 more. Yeah, you're going to definitely have a hard time with this person. See, somebody was married. Somebody was married. They were in a commitment, a business. I'm telling you, there's somebody else here. And that's the problem. You're like, no, I'm good. Look at that. Yeah, some type of family situation, but there's 1111. That's all I heard. Keep going. Okay, Aries. So you definitely have somebody else coming in, okay? Oh, shoot. Aries, you got options, okay? Because these are different people. So, oh, yeah. Y'all got options. But let me tell you something I'm picking up. I'm picking up a couple of things. So this is, let me back up. Oh, okay, this is interesting. So, remember I told you not too long ago, you guys are getting karmic justice, right? I feel like if somebody was in, like, a marriage, a commitment, long-term commitment, whatever it is, I feel like that person got played. Because I do feel like the person that they stayed stuck in the situation with, they cheated on them, right? They cheated on them, maybe not with one, but two people. It was like continuously, like people just kept coming in. This person kept getting played. They stayed in the situation for all the wrong reasons, and now they want out. Now, this is the thing. Now, when it comes to you, you're saying, no, I'm good. I don't want you. You were in this marriage, this commitment, this business. I don't have time for that. And now, not only is that person trying to come back, but you got two other options, okay? Okay, it's time to play. It's getting warm outside, and y'all know how to act. So anyway, you guys are like, no, I'm not in my head about this at all. Look at that. I'm telling y'all have options. Even though I see all four kings, because they're somewhat spaced out, I'm telling you, this is different energy. If they were all pretty much together, I'm like, y'all, this person, their four kings are here. They're making up the emperor. It's like they're ready. But that's not what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing y'all have options, okay? Y'all are playing. Y'all are cutting this person off. You're like, you snooze, you lose. See? They had you waiting. They had you waiting around, and you're like, no. Nope, you're going to have to wait for me now. Now you're going to have to really prove yourself because I'm going to figure out who it is I want. May the best man or woman win. See, then I just say they're going to have to prove themselves. They're going to have to work for it. Ooh, I know that's right, Aries. I know that's right. But at the end of the day, you have happiness coming in. So you just have to choose who you want. Look at that. You're going to have a victory. Aries, leave me some comments. I love y'all, okay? Bye. I gotta go. Bye, guys. I love you. Drop them comments. I love you. Drop them comments. I